Ever wondered why some plants thrive better when planted next to certain others? Welcome to the fascinating world of companion planting, a method that can make your gardening more efficient and productive. It's a simple concept with profound effects. By thoughtfully pairing plants, you can enhance pest control, boost pollination, and maximize the use of space in your garden. Imagine creating a thriving ecosystem right in your backyard, all thanks to understanding which plants complement each other best. That, my green-thumbed friends, is the magic of companion planting. Now, how does companion planting work? Well, imagine a neighborhood where everyone has unique skills, and they all help each other out. That's what companion planting is like in the plant world. Different plants offer different benefits. Some, like basil, can enhance the flavor of their neighbors, like tomatoes. Others, like beans, can enrich the soil with nutrients that their companions, like corn, need to thrive. Certain plants can even keep pests away. So, it's all about creating a harmonious community of plants that help each other grow. Sounds interesting, right? But how do we implement this in our gardens? Well, start small. Begin with a couple of compatible pairs like tomatoes and basil or carrots and onions. These plant buddies not only grow well together, they help each other thrive. Do a little homework. Understand the specific needs of the plants you're planning to grow. Which plants are friends? Which are foes? Design your garden accordingly. Remember, it's about trial and error, but the rewards are worth it. So there you have it, a brief guide to companion planting. This simple yet effective gardening technique can bring numerous benefits to your green spaces. It can help to improve soil fertility, protect your plants from pests, and even boost your garden's yield. But the real beauty of companion planting lies in the harmony it creates, turning your garden into a thriving ecosystem. Enjoyed the video? Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips. Happy planting!